Good morning, all of you. Hi, students. Myself, Neeraj sir. As a math teacher, I welcome you all in this tutorial. Dear student, today we are going to discuss half-yearly syllabus of class 7 maths, chapter 3, rational numbers. This is part 3rd video, and today's topic exercise 3.2 remaining part. Yes, student, exercise 3.2, question number 2. Add the following: minus 7 by 8 and minus 5 by 12. So, we write here, we have to add these fractions. So, we write here minus 7 by 8 plus minus 5 by 12. So, students, see here, these both fractions are unlike fraction. So, first we have to convert these fraction into like fraction. So we have to take LCM of denominator 8 and 12, and here you see LCM is 24. So we have to convert this denominator 8 and 12 into 24. So look here, minus 7 by 8. By what number you have to multiply 8 so that the product is 24? So multiply 3. So numerator also multiply 3. Here also see minus 5 by 12. 12 2 are 24. So at numerator you multiply 2. Now minus 7 into 3 minus 21 by 24, and minus 5 into 2 minus 10 by 24. Now both the fractions are like fractions. Now take LCM of denominator 24. So 24 here, and write numerator place number, that is minus 21 plus minus 10. So see here, plus into minus, it becomes minus 21 minus 10 plus minus 10 upon 24. Now both the numbers are negative, minus 21 minus 10, so it becomes minus 31 upon 24, and this is the final answer. Yes, student, question number 3. Add the following. B part: 11 by 13 plus minus 23 by 26. So this is unlike fraction. So we have to convert this fraction into like fraction. So firstly we have to take LCM of denominator. Denominator is 13 26. So LCM is 26. Now we have to convert this denominator into 26. So look here, 11 by 13. So denominator is 13. So by what number you multiply 13 so that answer is 26. Product is 26. Obviously 2. So we multiply 2 on both numerator denominator. Now look here, minus 23 upon 26. Here already 26 is here. So we multiply it by 1. 26 1 ja 26, both numerator denominator. Now see here, 11 2 ja 22, 13 2 ja 26, 22 by 26, and minus 23 into 1, minus 23, 26 into 1, 26. Now it becomes like fractions. Now look here, again we have to take LCM 26 26, LCM 26. Now write the numbers as denominator indicated here, 22 plus minus 23. Now look here, plus into minus, 22 plus into minus, minus 23 upon 26. Now 22 minus 23, it becomes minus 1 upon 26, and this is the final answer. Like that you can solve the remaining part. Yes, student. Next question number 4. Subtract the following: minus 8 from minus 7 by 3. See here, subtract minus 8 from minus 7 by 3. So we have to write first minus 7 by 3 minus 8, like that. Okay, because it is clearly said that subtract this number from this number. So we write minus 7 by 3 first, then this number minus 8. Now see here, both the fractions are unlike fractions, so we have to convert this fraction into like fraction. So firstly we have to take LCM of denominator, that is 3 and 1, and LCM of 3 1 3. So look here, minus 7 by 3, here already 3, so we multiply 1 1 both numerator denominator, and minus 8 by 1. So to change this 1 into 3, we multiply 3 3 both numerator denominator. Now see here, minus 7 into 1, minus 7, 3 1 ja 3, minus 7 by 3, minus 8 into 3, minus 24, 1 3 ja 3. Now this both the fractions are like fraction, we have to take LCM. LCM is 3 3, so we write here 3 and simply write these numbers, which is at numerator place, minus 7 minus, and look here, minus minus plus 24. So student, it means we have to subtract 7 from 24. 24 minus 7 becomes 17 upon 3. So we convert it in mixed fraction. So it becomes 5 whole 2 by 3. And this is the final answer. See one more part, A part. Subtract minus 6 by 5. We have to subtract this number minus 6 by 5 from 8 by 7. So first we write here 8 by 7, and subtract means this sign subtract and that number minus 6 by 5. So students, see here, this is unlike fraction, so we have to change it into like fraction. So we have to take LCM of 7 5, that is 35. Now change this 7 and 5 into 35. So look here, this is 8 by 7. Okay student, this is 8 by 7, so we multiply it by 5, so that the product becomes 75. So 8 by 7 multiply 5 at numerator place, and denominator also multiply 5. Now see here, minus 6 by 5. 5 7 ja 35, so multiply 7 7. Now it becomes 8 5 ja 40, and 7 5 ja 35, and minus 6 7 ja 42, minus 42, and 5 7 ja 35. Now look here, 40 plus minus plus 42, and this is like fraction, so we take LCM 35 35 35. Now it becomes 82 by 35. So this is the final answer. Yes student, question number 5. Find the product of the following: minus 9 by 5 and minus 3 by 5. We have to find the product of both these fractions. So look here, minus 9 by 5, and in this place we put sign multiplication sign. So this is minus 9 by 5 into minus 3 by 5. Now see here, is it simplified? No. So we write here minus 9 into minus 3. Numerator place number upon denominator place is 5 5. So 5 into 5. So see here, 9 into 3. 9 3 ja 27, minus plus. So plus 27, and 5 5 ja 25. This is the answer. Now see one more part, 8 and 4 by minus 15. So we write here 8 and minus 4 by 15. Why? So see here, 4 by minus 15 equal to 4 by minus 15. We multiply this number into minus 1 into minus 1. So it becomes 4 1 ja 4 minus 4, and 15 1 ja 15 minus plus. That's why this minus 4 becomes this. So we write here like that. Now 8 multiply minus 4 by 15 becomes 15. Numerator place number 8 and minus 4. So we write here 8 into minus 4. Denominator place number 15. Now 8 into 4. Minus 32 by 15. This is the final answer you have to solve remaining part. Yes, student, question number 6. Divide the following: 4 by 11 by minus 5 by 11. So we put here sign, divide sign at by place. So 4 by 11 divide minus 5 by 11. So when we change this divide into multiply, this number is reciprocal. Okay, so we write here 4 by 11 and multiply minus 5 by 12 is there, so it becomes 12 by minus 5. So we write here, see here, numerator place number 4 12, 4 into 12. Denominator place number 11 minus 5, so 11 into minus 5. Now it becomes 4 12 ja 48, 11 5 ja minus 55. So student, we put this minus at numerator place, so it becomes minus 48 by 55. This is the final answer. See one more part, minus 9 by 10 by minus 6 by 7. So we write here minus 9 by 10 and at the place of by we put sign here divide, minus 6 by 7. Now see here, minus 9 by 10, when we change this divide, minus 6 by 7 becomes 7 by minus 6. Now numerator place number is minus 9 into 7, minus 9 and 7, so we write here minus 9 7. At denominator place number 10 minus 6, so we write here 10 minus 6. See here, minus minus cancel, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. Now numerator place number are 3 7, so we write here 3 multiply 7. Denominator place number 10 2, so 10 2 we write 3 7 ja 21, 10 2 ja 20. So this is the final answer, and you have to solve B part as a class practice. Yes student, question number 7. Simplify the following: 4 by 5 multiply 7 by 9 divide 8 by 45. So student, we have to write it 4 by 5 multiply 7 by 9. When we change this divide sign into multiply, this number 8 by 45 becomes 45 by 8. Now see here, numerator place number is 4 7 45. So we write here 4 multiply 7 into 45. Denominator place number 5 9 8. 5 multiply 9 multiply 8. Now look here, 9 1 ja 9, 9 5 ja 45. Okay, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, and this 5 5 cancel. Now numerator place number is 1 7 1. So 1 multiply 7 into 1. Denominator place number is 1 2 1 2. 1 into 7 7, 7 into 1 7, and 1 into 2 2. So 7 by 2 we can write, this is improper fraction, we change it into mixed fraction, it becomes 3 whole 1 by 2, and this is the final answer. You have to solve remaining part. Yes student, question number 10. Cost of 1 liter of milk is this. Find the cost of 5.5 liter of milk. So this is unitary method. We have given here 1 liter, cost of 1 liter milk, that is rupees 32 whole 3 by 4. So we have to find cost of 5.5 liter of milk. Suppose cost of 1 pen is rupees 5, then cost of 5 pen is 5 into 5, so we multiply here. 32 whole 3 by 4 multiply 5 whole 1 by 2. So this, both the fractions are mixed fraction, we change it into improper fraction. So it becomes 131 by 4, and this become 5 2 ja 10 1 11 by 2. Now see here, numerator place number is 131 and 11. So we write 131 into 11. Denominator place number 4 2, 4 into 2. When we multiply this number 131 into 11, it becomes 1441, and this 4 2 ja 8. Now we have to change this into mixed fraction, so it becomes rupees 180 whole 1 by 8, and this is the final answer. Yes student, last question. Exercise 3.2. Sita distributed a cake weighing 10 whole 1 by 2 kg to 6 of her friends. Find the weight of the cake each friend got. So student, total weight of cake is 10.5 kg and it is distributed among 6 friends. So we write here 6 friend got 10.5 kg of cake. So one friend got 10.5 divided by 6. So we change this 10.5 into improper fraction because this is mixed fraction. So 10 to the 21, 21 by 2 divided by 6 and we write here 6 upon 1. So 21 by 2 multiply, when we change this divide into multiply, it becomes 6 by 1 becomes 1 by 6. So numerator place number is 21 1, so we write 21 into 1. Denominator place number 2 6, 2 into 6. So look here, we cut 6 and 21 by table 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21. So now numerator place number is 7 1. So we write 7 multiply 1 and denominator place number 2 2. So 2 into 2. So 7 1 ja 7, 2 2 ja 4, 7 by 4. We change it into mixed fraction. So it becomes 1 whole 3 by 4 kg of cake. So each friend got 1 whole 3 by 4 kg of cake. This is the final answer. So students, that's all for today. Have a nice day.